Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Pinterest in Real Life. I am your host, Jay Abeda. This is the weekly DIY show in which a DIY noob tries to recreate Pinterest pins. This week we are doing a nature wall art project. It seems pretty straightforward, but I obviously missed a step somewhere along the way, so you can go ahead and check out what I did. For this project you're going to need a couple canvases. Paint those canvases a solid color. Then you'll need to find some leaves or flowers, something along those lines, to lay down on your canvases. Obviously this is where I'm missing a step, so yeah. Then you go ahead and spray paint over the top of that so it's a solid color, and when you pull up the leaves, the color you had painted should be down below. For this week's edition of Pinterest in Real Life. I hope you enjoyed this. I obviously missed a step somewhere along the way where the leaves would want to participate and be a lot friendlier to work with. So go ahead, and if you know what I did wrong, let me know down below. It'd be much appreciated. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go and give it a big thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out any more of this nerdy, awesome, weird, random DIY stuff, then go ahead and subscribe down below. And feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know what projects you want to see. You can also find me on Pinterest. All the info is down in the description box. And send me pins that way. Leave them here. Send them to me on Twitter. However you want to do that, all the information is down there. So I'll see you guys all later. Bye.